Ready to unlock the true power of Airtable by turning it into a programmable powerhouse. First, you'll need your Airtable API key. Find it in your Airtable account settings under the Developer section. Keep this key secure, as it grants access to all your bases. The Airtable API revolves around the core concepts you already know: bases, which are your main databases; tables, within those bases; records, which are the rows in your tables; and fields, representing the columns. Use tools like Postman or your favorite programming language, such as Python or JavaScript, to construct API requests to retrieve, create, update, or delete records. Refine your data retrieval by implementing filters, sorting options, and pagination to handle large datasets efficiently. Consult the API documentation for the specific parameters to use. Be mindful of authentication, using your API key and Airtable's rate limits to ensure smooth and reliable access to your data. The API also supports working with attachments, allowing you to upload and manage files associated with your records. Even your formula fields can be accessed through the API, allowing you to leverage complex calculations in your integrations. For real-time updates, explore setting up webhooks to receive notifications whenever changes occur in your Airtable bases, enabling automated workflows. The Airtable API opens doors to endless possibilities, from integrating with other applications to automating workflows and building custom solutions. Dive in and unleash the potential of your data.